folks, another little update. I painted this thing, and there's mosquitoes everywhere in here. Painted that, both sides, and I also moved the box that was here. I moved it to way over there for now, and I'll show you something else. I also, I moved the box here. I also welded this frame up here, this galvanized frame here. Don't worry, I didn't breathe this shit in. I did a pretty sloppy job. It was dark out. I'm going to grind it down so it looks nice. Yes. I'm a grinder and a welder. I don't know what that is, but this is the piece that goes on the bottom there, and those legs attached to here, and that piece goes in here, whatever. Anyway, you'll see when I finish doing it. So stay tuned. This is the where it's going. So yeah, it's coming along. Square box top. It's coming along. You can see right here, the legs are done. Well, kind of done. They're just a sloppy paint job. And I got to fix this tube. It's the tube that goes inside the machine. At the end is a little bit crummy. Plus, this part where the gun goes in is kind of broken. Probably going to put a better quality tube in here because these ones completely suck. They're really cheap. They're like, I guess you can say lawn chair quality metal. Where's that piece again? And the tub here, I don't know if I already showed you, but right over here has a little bit of rot down there. So I'm going to have to rebuild that part and probably the bottom box. I don't know, I'll figure it out. I got to take all this little foamy stuff off here. Give this a quick sanding, and I might just grind down wherever I see rust. Put a couple of patches in there, put it back together, and then just paint the whole thing. There's not much rust on it. It's just where the water collected in there. It didn't get out, rusted it. So we'll take care of that. Anyway, hope you stay tuned. This is a little update. My fabulous paint job. I think the paint curdled in 2 spots. But I'll grind off that one spot and I'll respray it. What I'm going to do after I'm done is I'm going to put it all together and just give it a coat of spray paint while it's all together. Then after this is done, I can continue with this thing. The Honda, which is sitting here. I'm waiting for the swing arm bolt thing. Yeah. What is it? The swing arm bolt to remove the swing arm. You get the swing arm bolts out of there, right over here. So yeah, this, then this. Thanks for watching. Toodles.